Are you someone like me who loves movies or TV shows but doesn't have a little bit of the green stuff to really afford buying things? If you're like me, if there's a will, there is a way. You can find any type of streaming website, everything, etc., etc. Don't have to go into details, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. On our VOPLLS projector, I love watching those movies. We have a Jellyfin server. I run it through our Amazon Prime Stick, the Fire Stick, and works great. But there's occasionally times where the internet goes out, and what do? You can't do anything. So I mean, gotta wait for it to come back, or if it's power outage, of course nothing's gonna work. But there's a cool little feature with the VOPLLS projector. Of course, you can use it on the M10 as well as the A6, but the A6 is great. Like, you have easy access and everything. We have our little USB plugged in right here. It's I don't know how many terabytes, but it's an external hard drive. We got it plugged in, and we're gonna demonstrate what that will look like on your projector. And again, you can stream all your movies just directly from there. I have it as my backup from my home server. That way I can have all those movies, but let's get this flipped around and we'll show you. Alrighty, so on here, you'll come over to Files, and from in here, this is where you'll go. So it shows the local disk, which is everything located on the disk of the projector. However, the easy store, that's what my hard drive is called. So I'll come into here. I have my little Plex folder, and this is where I store all my movies. I have some extra stuff from my previous server. But if I come in here to like anime as an example, we'll come over here to a show, and you can just click on it and it'll start playing. I have, again, audio will be turned off for copyright purpose. It was turned off for copyright. There we go. But as you can see, audio works. But you can go in, watch your show, and enjoy. It's something that's pretty great in terms of what you can do with content. You can of course sort it by all video. You come in here to pictures, it'll go through. It may take a little bit of time because that folder didn't have any pictures, but if you hit back, it'll go all the way back. But I don't have any off the top of my head where pictures would be located, but yeah, so again, something great, something easy to use. So if, again, in a situation where your internet's out, you have a backup for your server and through a USB drive, or have some movies on a USB drive, you can play those through there. Of course, you can also have a picture slideshow, just something to display on your projector. And so it's something that's a really cool feature to have on your VOPLLS A6 projector.